Welcome in this airdrop video. So I made already about this video, and this is our third video about it, Soneium. Those who are not watched yet, so it is for you. So probably efficiently way we would do participate in this airdrop. You will learn from this video a lot of, I'm hoping. So first thing first, if you don't yet join in the telegram channel, check out. And what you need to do first, get faucet. Okay, so faucet is a non-worthwhile, it could be like it's nothing. Okay, and they will give you through totally free for using their blockchain. So you can get it through telegram bot. Telegram mini apps has been awesome for us because we don't need to go in Google any website. Now we are in getting this faucet through telegram. So here is I already provided the bot. Okay, so getting Sopila faucet bot, so you can use it efficiently. Just paste your MetaMask wallet on there and they will send you 0.2 Ethereum Sopila. Anyhow, bridge Sopila to Minato. So bridge back done and go to here, and connect your MetaMask. Okay, this page will be look like this. I'm showing you. Okay, so let's say you did connect, and okay, so I'm totally show you in whole, because maybe some people would be confused that you just explain that how to do that, but you don't do that yourself, so it would be confusing. So therefore I need to show you. So in order to showing you, I need to go exact browser, not in telegram, in a kiwi browser where I have MetaMask and couple of faucet on the specific wallet. The wallet I need to connect, and I need to show you how do I do it. Okay, so in order to its opening, I'm just pause this. So page would be look like this, while it would be opened up fully. So you need to connect your wallet. Click on wallet connecting section. MetaMask is always recommended because one of the most uses wallet in the planet in crypto space already. I don't need to say it, you already know it. And therefore we are going to use MetaMask in order to efficiently done the project that we are taking, that we took Soneium Airdrop. Okay, so it's kind of like hype. Okay, Soneium is like getting popularity day by day, I'm noticing, because if you notice that my most viewed video is Soneium. Okay, therefore I'm covering this video because of people are interested about it. Okay, people are wanting to know more about it. Okay, so here is I get Ethereum Sopila. Now I need to transfer into Minato. Okay, so let's say I'm going to transfer 0.5 and review deposit and initiate the deposit. So click on this black button, and after click on there, so check the, so now it's sending. If you notice that the page has been slightly changed, if you noticed, okay, so MetaMask check up and go through MetaMask, and here just click on the just authorized by that. What the heck you get from here, so just confirm it immediately, no problem, because it's nothing. It's just using, it's just checking up their website. Okay, so speed up and as much as you can do it. Okay, the more you will do the swap and back swap, the more maybe chance you will have to getting the airdrop. Okay, so therefore I would recommend you do as much as you can do. Okay, so after doing it efficiently, let's say you wanna do now Minato to Sopila, so click this arrow button or click this Sopila in here and go to the Minato. Okay, so in order to go into Minato, click on Minato and confirm in wallet that you are going to add Minato into your MetaMask. Okay, and then you already received Ethereum into Minato network. Sopila to Minato network. Sopila is another network, Minato is another network, but token is same, Ethereum. Okay, keep in mind. So approve it and switch network, and it's added. Okay, we already get it in our wallet. So now let's say we are here now. It's changed slightly if you noticed in here. Please connect to Sopila in your wallet. Okay, so Sopila, just click on here. Okay, we got it. So now let's say we gonna now move into another. Okay, so remove, initiate, withdraw. If it doesn't work, like tap couple of times in here and check up your again MetaMask, because everything you do it get MetaMask. Okay, it's as simple as that. And I'm saying I never stop publishing any day. I will publish more. In minimum one video I would publish, but it will couple of days you will get more video, okay, than one video, because I'm obsessed with creating this. I would be successful in here. I'm saying you will see it. Even if you would be success, I would be success too. So therefore we are doing each day airdrop. We are doing lots of stuff each day. If you come our Telegram channels, you will notice it. Okay, so let's say we done it. Okay, go to transactions. We already done it, really. So we already done it. So now what is see your transactions if you want. So we did a lot of transactions and it is progressing. It takes during I mean, maybe they're showing that 60 minutes, but it not take that much time. Anyhow, whatever time they take, but we done it. Now the work as much as you can do. In video I show you two transactions, but you can do more of transactions. Okay, so anyhow, here is also complete layer 3 task they have. So I already did it, so you should have. Okay, I would say if you can skip it, no problem, you can skip it, but do the task of swap. Okay, that's their main task on there. Okay, so here is, if I go through my browser, here you would notice that I done all sort of work in layer 3, and here is a last one is maybe missed, because we should have couple of you know we should have couple of real money in orb. Okay, Ethereum. Let's see if they do update anything. It would be better too. Okay, just let me see it, what the hack they did on there. So cannot open this page and feedback. I don't know what the heck is happening in here. Just I'm trying to refresh this page and I did check stuff. Now let me see. Hoping would be work now. Maybe something would. Okay, open page, new tab, reset queue, browser, reset device. So something went wrong in here. So anyhow, I'm showing you in Telegram. So just let me back from this page, and I'm going to go Telegram, and where just I'm demonstrating what the work looks like. Okay, so where our page Telegram is here, Telegram browser it is. So it's as simple as that. That's a see Soneium. What is Soneium is bridge to Soneium Testnet. You did it because we, before entering this page, we did it. You already see. Okay, we done it. Join Soneium Discord and claim the reward. As simple as that. Okay, so connect to wallet. You need to same wallet to connect that you did swap, that you did berries, that you did a couple of activity. Connect the you check that wallet address. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so if you are passionate about earning money through airdrop, definitely come back in here. No matter where you live in, doesn't matter, because crypto is available east to west, north to south. Doesn't matter where you live in, because it is not excuses. It is not like PayPal fucker stuff. It is everywhere available. No matter which country you are living, A to J, every country, every single country, can every single country's people can make money through you and through crypto. Okay, so therefore I say myself that nowadays no excuse is available. Even you can make money in crypto through mobile phone. You don't need to have fancy stuff. Okay, so never be worried about, just join in the channel and make money, and take this seriously and focus on here. You will be, I'm hoping something will be get you.